Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily blur your face on Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my Filmora application. And for example, I'm going to blur this girl's face. Okay, if we want to automatically blur face, we can apply body effect to our video. We just need to go to the effects menu and then select the face mosaic. And you can choose the AI horizontal blur or AI sketch blur or the scribble blur or the pastel blur. And for me, I'm just going to choose the AI sketch blur. Make sure you have good internet connection to download this effect. And after the effect has been downloaded, you can apply it to your video. Okay, I'm just going to apply this effect to my video. Okay, and wait guys, it's still loading. You can monitor right here. Now this effect is being applied to my video. Okay, now it's done, and as you can see guys, that the girl's face has been blurred automatically using this effect. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.